Guess what we're doing today? We're doing the updated apartment tour. I have to hold my camera in my hand like this. This camera's so heavy. Oh my God. I need a new vlogging camera. I need a new vlogging camera so bad. This is going to be very interesting. And I don't know if the lighting is going to be okay, so you guys can be the judge of that. But anyway, it's my updated apartment tour. Stay tuned if you want to watch it. So right now, this is the entryway. Yes, I do have sticky notes on my door to remind me to do things when I leave. So remember I was like, oh, what should I put in this corner? So I ended up putting a bookcase there. Don't mind that bag. That is going to my new place. Actually, I have moved and the movers are going to be coming to get the stuff. So I wanted to film this video before they come. But anyway, here's the kitchen. And this is where I am utilizing my space. I have a little coffee bar over there. And, you know, some goodies up there. And that box right there is full of stuff that I need to do videos on. My refrigerator with my magnets of all the places I've traveled to. I still have not opened that yet. And just nice set and all that jazz. Hopefully this is not too bright. And yeah, just some filming stuff, little cart. This is my vision board. There it is. Now it's nice and clear. So that's my vision board. Things I'm focusing on. If you do not have a vision board, please make one. So this is just so you can get a view of like everything. And the garbage can is over there. By the way, that garbage can is Simple Human and those things are like really good. So if you don't have one, get one. These stools. So this countertop is not really like the height of a bar. So the new place that I'm moving to, I'm very excited because I will be able to utilize those properly. That countertop is it's really short. So it's just like the regular height of a regular countertop. Over here is just a dresser. So I didn't have anywhere to put it. And when I move, that will be going in my bedroom. And just a little plant. This is my table. Remember I told you I didn't have any light fixtures in here, so this is actually gonna be in like my beauty room or glam room in the new place. That's coming down because I had those put up. And that will be in my bedroom. Remember the little rug that I said I got from the at-home store? I have a coffee table to match my dining table. Let me just move back a little bit so you can see it better. So that kind of gives you a better idea of how I utilize the space. And don't ask me how large this television is because I'm not going to be able to tell you. I don't know, but it's pretty big. So yeah, there's that. I know, I still have DVDs and I'm keeping them just in case. They're my favorite movies, most of them. And so I'll be putting them in a box and storing them in my garage. Yeah. I really hope that the clarity of this video is coming out pretty good. So there's my glam couch, and one day when I move into a house, when I buy my house, I will be putting this in my glam room, and I'll be getting me probably one of those cloud couches that they sell at Restoration Warehouse, I think is what it's called. But over here I just have a little sitting chair, little Bernhardt chair. I love it. And can you see this? The quality of the chair. You can kind of get an idea of what the chair looks like. Little lamp table. And there I am. Little outfit of the day action going on. Can you see that? I still have on my cute little wig one another. What do you call this? Still have on my headband wig. So yeah, but I got this mirror from the Z Gallery. And yeah, right here, my printers. I have my little habit tracker that I created that I am gonna be making a video. These are like little, this is something that I'm creating, you know, just like inspirational stuff, but I'll be showing that in another video. This is like my little office area, and where I moved to, you know, I'm gonna have to figure that part out and how I'm gonna set that up. I know that it's super bright. Let me try closing this blind. Maybe that will help. You can see a little bit better. Let me close this one too. Yeah, this is how you close these blinds. Pull that down like that. Yeah, that's a little bit better. So you can kind of see a little acrylic clear chair. And I know everything like looks blue in here, but yeah, this is this situation. And this is my room. This is the other dresser. So at the new place, both of these will be in the bedroom. And I know it's like so dark in here. I'm so sorry. Let me see if this will liven things up a bit. Bring a little light in here. So yeah, this is the bedroom, bed, and night table. This is a queen size bed just to give it a little bit of space. And there I am in my vanity. And that is the other dresser that I have. So yeah, I'm not showing the bathroom in this video. Don't mind this messy thing. I'll be doing another video about how to organize makeup, and I don't know, we're gonna get rid of that. But anyway, if you want to watch my self-care video, I will put that below, and you can check out my bathroom. But just to give you an idea again how you utilize this space, you can kind of see that there. Yeah. So just to go over a couple things about this apartment. So if you, let's see where I can sit you so I can talk. How's that? Is that good? Ooh. Okay, looks good to me. So anyway, if you need fresh air in your apartment, this is 100%. I'm not gonna be I'm gonna sit you, no, you can't even go there. I was trying to sit you on my coasters. Aren't these cute? Cute, right? It's kind of hard to see them with all this light in here. A couple things with this apartment. So if you are into having like fresh air and opening up the windows and letting it draft in, this is 100% not going to be the apartment for you. There is still like a stench in here from the previous people, kind of like a dog smell. And yeah, so if that is something that you want to be able to do, this is not going to work for you. Also, if you get cold all the time, you'll love it because the sun shines right through here. You don't really have to turn the heat on much because the sun is shining through. But one thing to keep in mind when the air is on, it gets really cold in the bedroom. And I think it has a lot to do with it because this building is like complete cement. So that could be a reason. I mean, you can see the cement. One thing I don't like about this apartment is like, it's like made weird. Like the floor is kind of slanted in this area over here, like where the cart is. It's just, I tried putting my mirror over there before and it was just crooked because the floor is like, the flooring is uneven. So I don't really like that too much. And then the main reason why I'm moving is because the person in the office was, two of them, like they were extremely rude to me and someone were sitting somewhere in the building, and I pay rent here. I pay way over than what I'm supposed to pay, and they were like really rude. Someone in the office told me that I could utilize their office space to do my business, which I thought was really strange, but whatever, I did it. They didn't see me do it, but I was having a conversation there and I had like some stuff there with me. She asked me to move it out the way and I did, and then 45 minutes later she came back with the manager and he was so rude to me. He was like, you need to move this stuff now. And I was just like, I'm done living here. Like, this is crazy. And I'm like with someone and you're being really rude. And I was like in a room hidden in the back. That it was just really the strangest situation. I think it was like meant for me to move because I don't even understand like why that happened. But nonetheless, I'm moving. Actually, I've already moved into my new place. I just have to have the furniture taken over, like all my clothes are there. But enough about that. I just wanted to make an updated apartment tour so you guys can get an idea of like how I utilize the space. And yeah, if you have any questions about this or anything, please comment below. Go watch my self-care video because I'll show you the bathroom and like how I utilize the space in there. So you'll be able to see that. And that is it, okay?